you can see we have ours wired up right here. So we have our black wire connected. You can see that's going to be on the darker side. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Leviton Duplex Receptacle on 4-inch metal cover. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, you can see how it comes packaged here right here in a very simple Leviton box. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our installation instructions right here. Check it out, walking us through everything we need to know for our wiring. If you're uncomfortable installing this yourself, be sure to consult with a local electrician and hire a professional to do it for you. Next, you can see we have our outlet right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. We got their logo and branding, 15 amp, 125 volts, UL listed. Then you can see from the back side right here. So we'll look at it from each side, the top, the other side, and you can see it from the bottom. Now let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, so check it out. You can see we have ours wired up right here. So we have our black wire connected. You can see that's going to be on the darker side screws. And then you can see on the lighter side screws, we have our white wire connected, our neutral wire. And then on the green screw, if you can see that over here, I'm not sure it's going to get in focus, we have our bare copper wire. That's our ground wire connected right there. And now we're ready to fasten it in place on our box. All right, so check it out. There you go. It's fully installed, and we have this fluorescent light connected to it right here. And everything is working great as you would expect. And now you can see we still have one outlet available to use. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.